portfolio presentation. I am excited to share with you my homeschool journey. By the way, I am Maria Vianey Alpujanes. I am in grade 1. I want to be a doctor or artist because I want to help people and I want people to be happy. Now, here are my homeschool favorites. First, I love spending time with my family. I like that we're always together, spending time with my Tatay Brian, my Nanay Jane, and my little sister Leah. We enjoy going to different places and try to learn things as a family. Next, what I also love about our homeschooling is that I have a lot of time to do things that I want, like playing Roblox with my cousin Iya and with my parents, drawing and painting, reading books with my baby sister, and of course, playing! And lastly, one of my favorites is also that my teacher Nanay did not strictly follow what's on the grade 1 curriculum. She said that I can take the advanced topics because I am ready for them based on her assessment. For instance, I read and answered grade 5 stories and learned grade 6 science and grade 3 math. Of course, our journey was never easy. One of the challenges we had was not being able to regularly join Archer's monthly activity because my parents are both working. However, my nanay made sure to explain the topic to me and somehow do the output that is intended for each team. I will pray that we can have more time to join when I am in grade 2 because I want them to meet my fellow homeschoolers and make friends with them even though it's online. That is all for my presentation. Bye!